Okay, this is Prophet Rawanawa B. We're jumping right into it. Adam could not be perfect as long as he was not able to come in touch and observe the part of him that made him more like the Most High in the human sphere. That means he needed Eve. He needed an Eve. Let me tell you something. The Bible tells us in the book of Ecclesiastes, I want to say chapter 4, verse 9. Now let's see here. I should have had this already. Ecclesiastes chapter 4, somewhere around 9, something like that. Okay. But the Bible tells us, hold on a second. Hold on. I keep turning past it. Okay. But the Bible is telling us that two are better than one, for they have a reward for their labor. When the Most High and his son, Yahushua, got together in a council and they decided that they was going to make human beings. That was a joint effort. In order for man to represent the divine nature in his sphere of humanity, listen to me how I'm saying it, in his sphere of humanity, he would have to have a counterpart to represent the divine Godhead. And just as there's a Godhead over the universe and the earth, Adam was to be the viceroy with his wife over the throne of the earth. So there's a throne of the universe and there's a throne of the earth. Adam couldn't represent the Father and the Son by himself. So he needed a wife. The Bible tells us this. Hold on a second. The Bible tells us that two are better than one, for they have a reward for their labor. Okay. I should have had this scripture. Hold on. Two are better than one, for they have a reward. I think it's Ecclesiastes chapter 9. It must be Ecclesiastes 4:9. Yeah, two are better than one, for they have a good reward for their labor. For if they fall, the one will lift up his fellow. But woe unto him when he falleth, for he hath not another to help him up. You see? So you have to have two. Two represents the Godhead. Man and woman have the same what? Spirit. Listen to me. Man and woman have the same what? Spirit. Listen to me. The Father and the Son have the same what? Spirit. Okay? They have the same spirit. And just like there's no man and woman in a third person, a third being in a marriage, there's no third being representing the spirit in the Godhead. The Godhead is made of two people. They have the same spirit. The Bible brings this out very clearly. I think it's in Romans chapter 8, verse 1 through 10. Okay, so let me try to squeeze some more in here. There is no way that Adam could have projected the divine nature if he had no person of his nature to love. This is Prophet Rawa, and I will be. There will be a part 4. Shalom.